friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a wash and go using Pattern Beauty, so let's get started. As always, I start on damp hair and I section it off. Just section off however way works for you. I always start from the back. If it's not wet enough, I will always just re-wet my hair. I just mix with water and conditioner. So let's start. I'm using the Pattern Beauty Leave-In Conditioner, Define and Moisture. And I will just rake it throughout my hair and of course use my handy dandy Denman brush to really rake it through or brush it through my hair to really get all the product into my hair. Next step, the gel, my favorite, the Stronghold Gel, Slick and Snatched. Again, I will go through the same parts of my hair with the gel, section by section, kind of go through, rake it with my fingers, and then as always, I go back through with my Denman brush. To get more definition, I will scrunch my hair up. There you go. Look at that. Now let's do it again on another section. I usually just part my hair with my fingers. I don't need a perfect part, plus I didn't have a comb. Same thing, just re-wet my hair with my water and conditioner mix. I literally just use whatever's in my shower. At this point, it's Aussie Moist conditioner. And just make sure my hair is totally saturated and do everything all over again. So start with my leave-in conditioner, rake it through with my fingers, and then again with the gel. If there are some pieces that don't have enough definition, I will go through those curls individually and just put a little bit more gel. Now for my hooded dryer. Now that my hair is all dry, I will get more volume by using my pick and picking it through, scrunching out the cast, and here we go. Here are my final results of my wash and go using Pattern Beauty. Really excited about it. I love this product. Would recommend. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, your curl friend, Freckles and Curls. I'll see you next time.